Hey everybody, it's Saturday night, 8:54 p.m. Central Standard, not Standard, Daylight Time. Um, it's the 4th of August. So I was going to talk to you about a company called Avant Travels. Um, they have amazing discounts on travel, hotels, rental cars, and all that stuff. And the thing is, they'll pay you to give away vacation getaways. And I came across this young lady named Veronica, and she's allowing us to use her video until we get ours made. So, and here it is.
Quick, just got home from work and I checked onto my Facebook and PayPal. I can't talk. I'm tired. So I wanted to update you real quick. That was Cass. I wanted to update you on my PayPal. Last time I made a video, it was $911. That was my last video, my baby. Today, as of today, look what I have today, you guys. This is incredible. I'm giving away vacations for dirt cheap. And they're 4 to 5 star resorts, everyone. Look at that. $2,042.51. That is today. This is not fake. This is unbelievable. You're giving away vacations to people that want it, people that need it, and it's a one-time fee. That's it. No monthly fee. All you need is PayPal. You need to live in the US and Canada. Please, US and Canada. PayPal. No monthly fee. That's my Jazzy. Hi, Jazz. Say hi, babe. It is incredible. Incredible. You want to know more information? Comment below. Let me know. Let me go back to responding to messages. Okay? I will get back to you. I promise, okay? It's a little overwhelming, but you know what? It's so worth it.
Yeah, there you got it. Anyway, that's that was Veronica, and she's made more than that now. So I want to introduce you to Chime Bank. This young lady, she's going to give a demonstration, if you will. So listen up, pay attention, and I'll give you some good news at the end, okay? All right.
Let me tell you a little bit about Chime, and I'm going to jump in the demo. So when you sign up, you get a FDIC-insured spending account, a savings account, and a Visa debit card. There's no monthly fees, no overdraft. We have a huge fee-free ATM network. We have a beautiful app that's been featured by the App Store in Apple for top money management apps and banking apps. We send you notifications to keep you in control. And finally, we have what is emerging as this connected hub. So let me jump into the demo now and show you what I mean by that. So one of the ways that we help people stay in control is that we send you notifications. This is an example of a morning balance alert, so I wake up knowing exactly where I stand with my account. I can go into the app with Touch ID on Apple, with Fingerprint ID on Android, and I can see in the app now my spending account balance and my savings account balance at a glance. Below that, I can see my last 3 transactions. I can see I went with an Uber twice. I bought something from Amazon. Then we present the most frequently used features in the app for me personally. So we personalize this so it's really easy to get around the app. And then finally, these are my linked accounts. So I can see my Fidelity account, I can see my Citi credit card, and my Charles Schwab account inside of my Chime app with the balances when they've been updated. I can even make transfers in and out of my linked accounts with my Chime account right inside the Chime app. And then lastly, we have offers. And again, we're trying to personalize to help people lead healthier financial lives. Here we want to say, let's reduce your credit card bill with an offer from Avant as a personal loan, and we'll give you $100 to do that. So again, we want to curate the best financial services products out there to actually help our members. I'll also show you our fee-free ATM finder. So this is just around our Chime office. Actually, you can see some of the 24,000 fee-free ATMs that we have worldwide or nationwide. And then the next thing I want to do is show you what it's like to actually use your card. So let's say I have my card connected to Uber, I get out of the Uber ride, I immediately get this transaction notification in real time. So it serves as a sort of a digital receipt, but it's also a great security mechanism because anytime there's any activity on my account, I'm the first person to know about it. So I can click on this and go into my transaction history. The other thing that we're doing that our members really love is that we're helping them answer this question at the end of the month. Where did my money go? What did I spend it on? So we're starting to provide more context and detail around your spending history and your spending patterns. So here you can see this is my 9th ride with Uber this month. I've spent $85.92. And let's say I had a transaction I didn't recognize or I want more detail about this ride. I can click into Uber from here, clicking on this view ride, and I can connect to my Uber account and see the detail in the Uber account. I can go in and look at the map and remember what this ride was. Another example of that is like my Amazon purchase. I can click to view website. It'll take me into my Amazon account, and then I can see, oh, right, I bought these couple of books. Another example with our Pay Friends feature, which is an instant peer-to-peer payment feature. We can add memos so you can remember, what you were paying for. What happens is you can see Pay Friends. We also have the ability to connect to local merchants. So if you see a local merchant, it'll provide the address right there in your transaction detail. You can click on the address and you can actually see the map and see where the merchant's located, which is really helpful if you want to remember these transactions. The other thing we want to show you is like down at the bottom of the app is the Move Money section. So that's all the ways you move money in and out of the account. The primary way people fund the account is through direct deposit. So there's a nice little way you can click and you can have an email sent to you with your direct deposit form to give to your employer. If you need to pay a bill with ACH, you can get your routing and account number right there in the app, which is surprisingly hard to do in a lot of big bank accounts. And you can copy it to the clipboard. If you ever need to send a paper check in the mail, you can tap to send a check, fill out the name and the address, and we'll put it in the mail for you. You can do transfers between your spending account and your savings account, and then finally, and with your linked accounts. And then finally, with Peer Friends, you can send money to other Chime members instantly. And then in our next release, one of the things we have coming is that you can send money to anybody by connecting with Venmo. The other thing I wanted to show you is how the automatic savings program works. So with every transaction in your savings account, you would see all of the roundups with every single transaction, and then you'd see your nice 10% bonus on Fridays. And the last thing I was going to show you also was the support. So we have in-app support to provide support when our members need it. So you can send a message, and then very soon we're going to be launching a chat bot. And this is something, I know there's a panel on this later today, so I wanted to mention that. And we're really excited to bring that to our members who've been asking for it. They really want that sort of real-time, instant information, so we're going to do that from a support standpoint as well. And then the last cool thing I had is we launched a sticker pack with iOS 10 in our last release. We've been really encouraging our members to chime in for the election this year, and so we have this fun sticker, chime in, remind everyone to go vote tomorrow.
All right. Thank you very much, Shane.
Anyway, so that's pretty cool, huh? And trying to remember which one, the other one I saw that I liked. That made sense. As the yeah, so other than that, there's so much to this, but like I was saying at the end, they have a referral program, and you get 50, I get 50, if you get a direct deposit of $200 or more within 45 days. And so that's the good news. So you get something out of it, I get something out of it. So I signed my wife up. So she gets her direct deposit. She'll get 50, and I'll get 50. So that's $100. So you can get up to 500 total. So I think it's also awesome. So it's all good. Check this video out.
Chime is a new type of bank account that empowers consumers to lead healthier financial lives. We believe a bank account shouldn't cost you money. That's why we have no monthly fees, no minimum balances or overdraft fees, and over 24,000 fee-free ATMs. Every time you use your Chime Visa debit card to pay a bill or make a purchase, we round up the transaction to the nearest dollar and transfer the rounded up amount from your spending account to your savings account at Chime. Every Friday, we pay a 10% bonus on your roundup for the week. It's just one of the ways we're helping our members build healthy financial habits.
Cool, huh? All right. Anyway, that's the way it is. So, thanks for watching. I'll post a link at the bottom, and we'll get you going. Thanks.